Kanongstone College, haka arpsau tari unai lor araja arpsau, kalapun ko Burom ya sau spa sau ngot kisam la pulie, kentop lai spa prapu ngot naga art stream, sau ngot naga science stream, bat kanriu ngot naga commerce stream, kibala pas ya kikerdan graduate mentau senam. Hakani kasgi Chief Secretary Kasarkar Meghalaya uba DP Wahlang IAS ulawan nyishim benta kumukongsan haringkat kejingadon lang uba Macmillan Bersat MLA Burom jangka Nongston uba Dairu Chairman jangka Governing Body jangka College Dr. LL Mausor President ka Sponsoring Body u Additional Deputy Commissioner ka West Khasi Hills District uba HK Thaba u Superintendent of Police ka West Khasi Hills District u BD Marak ka Principal jangka Nongston College ka Dr. Yaisan Mautho kinohikai kisamla pulie bat Kiwei. Hagre ngi lapun ko Burom kerpang ru ya laingot kisam la puli ki bedai ki merit holders naga college katau ba syamhalang Carson Thew ubra yo eka kerdan wanyo haga zoology kong haba pilari karbani bla yo eka kerdan bapra haga geography bar kong larihon el rangat bla yo eka kerdan bakhandai haga biochemistry la ajing thoru ya ki nohikai jongini ki lightly ki subject ki bla rap ban kentio ki samla puli bakin yo ekini ki Jingjop uba DP Wahlang IS habakran kumukongsan ulaong ya ki samla bahabas dangi kani ka sin jam bathamai ken mau baya ka Jingjop an thau ya ka Tang da ka Burom Hynrei da ka Jingleh babha ka baya rap lam na ka banta Kiwei de.
You has the potential to be the beacon of hope and progress for our state. Whether you choose to pursue careers in government, business, education, social service or any other field, remember that your success will not only be measured by the accolades that you achieve, but by the positive impact you make in the lives of others. I am particularly heartened to see graduates from this college in the heart of West Khasi Hills ready to contribute to the growth of the rural and the urban areas alike. Our state needs your skills, your ideas, and your leadership to build a brighter future. I hope you will carry with you a sense of duty to uplift those around you, particularly those who are marginalized and disadvantaged. Education is not only a key to your own success, but also a powerful tool to drive social change. I had mentioned that you need to acquire skills, and this is one of the most important things that you need to remember on this day as you graduate. One day, maybe I'll be sitting in an interview panel if you're looking for jobs, and you'll be sitting in front of me, and I'll show you one question that I'll ask. You have graduated. You have done very well. You have got a first division in your BA or your BSc. What are your skills? That will be the question I'll ask you. What are your skills? What additional skills you have apart from your degree? We don't look only for degrees. We are looking for additional skills. For guys, it could be music, it could be playing football, it could be carpentry, it could be becoming a mason, it could be doing some electrical work. These are all skills that you need to acquire. For ladies, it could be tailoring. And as I have mentioned for guys, same, it could be music, it could be playing the piano. In fact, the new education policy 2020 encourages skills to the point that when you graduate, you do your BA, BCom, BSc, you can take skills as one of the subjects. You as students who graduated today and also the students who are still studying in the college, I would like to also place on record the good contribution made by the faculty members, teaching as well as the non-teaching staff of the college. For the students who are graduating, it is my immense honor to stand before you today at this pivotal moment of your lives. Today, we celebrate not only your academic achievements, but also your journey of perseverance, growth, and discovery. I congratulate each and every one of you for reaching this milestone, and I applaud your families and also the teaching faculty who have supported and guided you along the way.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya